You have to stand guard over the development and maintenance of Islamic democracy, Islamic social justice, and the equality of manhood in your own native soil. There is no power on earth that can undo Pakistan. I would rather die a meaningful death than to live a meaningless life. We have given the right of existence and survival to Pakistan. The first duty of a government is to maintain law and order so that the life, property, and religious beliefs of its subjects are fully protected. The ink of the scholar is more sacred than the blood of the martyr. It does not befit the lion to answer the dogs. India is a land of plenty inhibited by poverty. India has an enthralling, uplifting civilization that sparkles not only in our magnificent art, but also in the enormous creativity and humanity of our daily life in city and village. We live in a wonderful world that is full of beauty, charm, and adventure. There is no end to the adventures we can have if only we seek them with our eyes open. The only alternative to coexistence is co-construction. A country's greatness lies in its undying ideals of love and sacrifice that inspire the mothers of the race.
Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get new videos notifications.